another natural facelift. Hello, darling. Say hello.
Hey, what's up?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Woo! Look at my hair. I'm in trouble. Getting a tattoo. Just kidding. I'm in sweatpants and I had to put this top on already because it's so tight. I'd probably scream. I had to say if I was getting a real tattoo. Really?
Yeah, so do I. So I feel like it's gonna stay?
Yeah. So I hid my kind bar in the flowers, just in case. Thank you, Johnny, for that tip. Shh, watch us on E right now. Are live on E right now. See, this looks like a flower bouquet, but actually it's my kind bar holder because I'm very hungry. You guys didn't know that.